Hello! This week I'm baking triple chocolate cookies by Claire Ptak from Violet Bakery. It's not from her cookbook, I found them online, so I'll link that down below. They were really good, really easy. As you can see, they didn't spread much, but it gave it a kind of nice dense quality, so I enjoyed that. So first up, it's brown sugar. I think this is actually light brown sugar, into a bowl, followed by some caster sugar, and then plain flour, of which I added too much, hence scooping it back out, and then some cocoa powder. And even though it looks like I'm using two types, it just run out halfway through. And then it's some baking powder, and that all gets mixed together. But I didn't read the I didn't read the entire thing. I was meant to add all the dry ingredients. So that was also some bicarbonate of soda and some salt. So just giving that mixed together. And then some unsalted butter, which was meant to be room temp, but I gave it a tiny blitz in the microwave. Hence the kind of slightly liquid portions. And then that gets mixed together again, which is a tiny bit unusual. Usually you cream butter and sugar, so it has a sandy texture. And then next in is the white chocolate and some milk chocolate. I just use normal baking chips, nothing fancy. And then an egg. And some vanilla extract. And give it another mix. And then scooping out onto the baking tray. So you can see it's quite a sturdy dough. And they didn't spread too much. I don't know if that's intentional or not. And then a little bit of flaky sea salt on top and into the oven. And here they are straight out of the oven. You can see they've puffed more than spread, but they were really good. And also you can cook them from frozen, which I did the second time round, and I think they're even better from frozen, so I'd recommend it. If you liked, then please subscribe, and I'll see you next week.